Join me as I dive into the world of RZLV stock and see if I can figure out if it's really ready for liftoff. RZLV stock has been on the radar of many investors lately, and for good reason. The company has been making some significant moves in the industry, and its stock has been showing some promising signs. But is it really ready to take off and make some serious gains? That's what we're going to explore today. One of the biggest challenges facing RZLV stock right now is market volatility. We've seen some wild swings in the market recently, and it's been tough for stocks like RZLV to make any real progress. On top of that, the company has been dealing with some internal issues, including some management shakeups and struggles with their product pipeline. These kinds of challenges can make it tough for investors to get excited about the stock. Another barrier to growth for RZLV stock is competition. The industry is super crowded, and there are a lot of other companies vying for attention and market share. RZLV needs to differentiate itself and show that it's got a unique value proposition if it wants to stand out from the pack. And let's not forget about the regulatory environment. There are always risks that new laws or regulations could come in and impact the company's operations. The company's financial health is also a concern. While RZLV has been making some progress on the revenue front, it's still burning through cash at a pretty rapid clip. That's not necessarily a deal breaker, but it's something that investors need to keep an eye on. Overall, there are definitely some challenges that RZLV stock needs to overcome if it's going to make a major upward move. Industry trends are definitely in RZLV's favor, though. The sector is growing rapidly, and RZLV is well positioned to take advantage of that growth. The company's recent product launches have been getting some great reviews, and it's got a strong pipeline of new products in development. That's definitely a positive sign. RZLV's financials are also looking pretty solid. The company has been investing heavily in R&D, which is paying off in terms of new product development. And while it's still not profitable, it's making progress on that front. Recent news has been pretty positive, with some major partnerships and deals announced in the past quarter. Analysts are also getting more bullish on RZLV stock, which is always a good sign. The company has been getting some nice upgrades and price target increases, which can help drive the stock higher. Of course, there's always the risk that something will come along and derail the momentum. So what are the key indicators that suggest RZLV stock is on the verge of a major breakout? For one, the company's chart is looking pretty bullish. It's been forming a nice base and is starting to show some signs of life. The fundamentals are also improving, with earnings growth and revenue acceleration. And let's not forget about the sentiment. Investors are starting to get excited about RZLV stock, which can create a self-reinforcing cycle of buying and momentum. In summary, RZLV stock faces some challenges, but it's also got some major opportunities. The industry trends are in its favor, and the company's recent developments have been promising. So what do you think? Is RZLV stock ready for liftoff? Let me know in the comments. Also, be sure to check out my other videos for more stock analysis and insights.